What are the strengths in your sewing factory? And what can your sewing factory do for your target customers?
What we pride ourselves on is on a few things. Number one, I suppose, is the fact that we are fairly hands-on, and we have our finger on the pulse in terms of what we think the market requires. And when I say the market, our market is really the contemporary and streetwear fashion market. We produce for some of the cutting-edge streetwear and most highly sought-after brands at the moment. You know, from Palace through to sort of Saturdays in New York City. You know, these are really cool brands that are really making waves in the industry. The other thing is that we pride ourselves on really enabling the customer to deliver us some tech packs, deliver us and say, this is what we're after, and for us to do the rest. And for them not to have to worry about, are they going to get this? Is it going to be on time? Are we going to understand? And or in production, when they get those boxes at their end, they kind of open the boxes with one eye shut going, please, please, please. There's no sleepless nights. I mean, we're not the cheapest factory in the world, but what we do guarantee is that your product will be on time, on point, and exactly what you want. You know, it's that we're building a product that somebody has had in their mind. So it's taking that perception and their image and trying to create an actual product out of what they see in their mind's eye, and having that connection there. So I think that's probably what we do quite well. And the way we do that in our factory is we do it ourselves. The old saying goes, if you want a job doing properly, you do it yourself. I mean, we used to manufacture our own fabric even, and now we don't, because there's so many periphery industry in Vietnam that actually have that. But really, we do it ourselves. We have printing, everything in-house. All of our sourcing comes from in-house. All of our trend forecasting and everything else comes from in-house. And we put together these garments as best we can within our own facility. And I think that our customers appreciate that, and the speed at which it can be done, and the fact that we probably get it. You know, we understand that also not every garment's going to be 2,000 per color per style. You're going to have that one garment which needs to be made because it's all over the billboards, but it's only going to do 100 pieces because it's that fashion garment. And we get the industry a little bit more because we've been in it. We've owned our own brand, so we try and show a bit of empathy.
Well, thank you, Paul, for your time.
No problem.
If you're interested to know more about Paul and his factory, unavailable.net, his contact information is below. Feel free to contact him directly. Thanks, and have a great day. Hi, my name is Chris. I'm a fashion startup consultant based in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. My passion is working with energetic startups to prepare them to meet investors. Together, we write your business plan, create your tech packs, fill in your quantity breakdown list, and finalize your quality control checklist. Then I take you to the Vietnamese sewing factories to get a price quote and get samples made. Get started by reading my ebooks or listening to them on audio. When you're ready, hire me and I will ease your fears and give you an action plan to realize your garment production dreams. Let's work together in Vietnam.